Welcome back to another VMG Software tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to set up TeamViewer's remote desktop application. At VMG we use TeamViewer's remote desktop software to assist our clients with anything from training to installing new company databases and more. Therefore, if you have TeamViewer installed, we're able to assist you remotely with anything VMG related without having to physically be right next to you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head on over to TeamViewer's website. So open up your browser and head on over to www.teamviewer.com. Once you're on their website, try finding a download button. At the time of this recording, their website looks like this. So for us, we'll just click the download for free button over here to begin downloading TeamViewer. You should see the download appear at the bottom of your browser. So simply wait for the download to finish, and once it's finished, we'll simply just click on it. A new window will pop up where we are asked for what type of installation we would like to perform. And for this, you should just select the default installation option and say accept or next. The installer will begin installing, and once complete, we'll get a window that looks like this. In this window, you want to select the middle one which says, I want to use the free version for personal use. Once you have that selected, click on Finish, and if you get a pop-up window that looks like this, simply check the I accept checkbox and say Continue, and your TeamViewer is now installed. After installing, a new web tab or web page might open that shows you how to use TeamViewer. If you want to enlighten yourself with the TeamViewer interface, feel free to read through this page. Otherwise, I'll quickly explain how the most fundamental feature, which is connecting remotely to external computers, that most people use TeamViewer for. Okay, so here is how the TeamViewer console looks. From here you can see your TeamViewer ID and password, as well as a little box on the right for you when you want to connect to another computer. When you call our support office, we usually require connecting to your PC so that we can see what's going on and assist you remotely. So to do this, you need to provide the support technician on the other side of the phone with your TeamViewer ID and password, which they will then type in on their side and connect to your computer remotely. And that's basically it. And in the future, you won't have to install TeamViewer again, as it will remain installed on your computer until you go and physically uninstall it yourself. So when you need any remote assistance or support with your VMG in the future, all you have to do is open up your TeamViewer and provide us with your TeamViewer password and ID. So we hope you made out alright with your TeamViewer installation. And if not, be sure to watch our tutorial on installing AnyDesk, which is another free remote desktop application that we use at VMG to assist our customers remotely. To watch that tutorial video, simply click on the link in the top right corner now. So we hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a great day further.